Alright, we have Way of Kings, chapter 74, Ghostbloods. In this chapter, we get Yasna and Shallan talking about the conclusions that they came to as far as the Parshendi being the Voidbringers and how that's dangerous, and the group of people called the Ghostbloods, who are presumably going to be the villains for maybe the next book, maybe all of the whole series. We'll find out. And that's basically my thoughts already right there. This is setting up for some sort of villain. And confirming the previous information that we got. And outlining the threat that these villain poses with the Parshmen being everywhere. That's basically all that happens this chapter, and it's a pretty good use of a chapter. Now, I want to take this time to, since the chapter is so short, and that's literally the end of my thoughts, I'm going to take this time to ask you guys a few questions. Namely, I have this chapter, the next chapter, the epilogue, and the Ars Arcanum that I'm probably going to make videos on. And then on Friday, I'm going to make a video about what's going to happen for the next book. So keep your eyes peeled on that. And the question that I want to pose to you guys, and I'm going to go over this more on Friday, is which book would you guys like me to do next? I can either do Warbreaker or I can do Words of Radiance. I could also try one of the other ones if there's enough demand for it, but I'd prefer not to do a different series, like the first book in a different series, like the first Mistborn book or any of those. So leave your answers in the comments. And if you want to see my response to what you guys think, you should
Like and subscribe now!